Imagine holding a device that is small enough to hold comfortably in one hand, yet powerful enough to run professional-grade software, edit multi-stream video, and manage your entire digital life without a single stutter. A device that bridges the gap between the phone in your pocket and the laptop on your desk, executing tasks with an absolute, breathtaking fluidity. This isn't a prototype, and it isn't a vision of the distant future. This is the reality of the Apple iPad Mini 8. For years, the tech industry has treated small tablets as an afterthought. Most companies view the compact form factor as an excuse to cut corners, pack in outdated processors, skimp on display tech, and serve up a sluggish, budget-oriented experience. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But Apple has consistently chosen a completely different path with the iPad Mini lineup. With the arrival of the iPad Mini 8, they didn't just iterate. They completely shattered the ceiling of what a small screen device can achieve. This isn't just a smaller tablet anymore. It is a concentrated, uncompromised powerhouse designed for people who refuse to trade portability for performance. If you are listening to this right now, you are likely standing at a crossroads. You might be a digital artist looking for the ultimate ultra-portable sketchpad that goes everywhere you do. You might be a student trying to streamline your note-taking and reading workflows without carrying a heavy bag. You might be a professional who needs to monitor data, manage projects, and stay connected while moving from meeting to meeting. Or maybe you are simply someone who is completely fatigued by massive, heavy tablets and oversized smartphones, and you want something that feels exactly right. Whatever your story, the iPad Mini 8 forces us to look past the marketing hype and ask a critical question. Is this truly the most versatile, perfect digital canvas ever created, or is there a hidden catch that will make you regret buying it? To truly appreciate why the iPad Mini 8 is driving the entire tech community into a frenzy, we have to look beneath the sleek aluminum exterior and understand the silicon driving this machine. The architecture inside this device represents a monumental shift in mobile engineering. Apple has packed an incredibly advanced, ultra-dense processor into this compact chassis. We aren't just talking about a minor clock speed bump or a slight increase in efficiency. This chip completely alters how data is processed on a mobile device. Built on a cutting-edge manufacturing process, it crams billions of microscopic transistors into a space smaller than a fingernail. What this means for you in real-time daily use is absolute, instant responsiveness. When you tap an app, it opens immediately. When you swipe between dense, asset-heavy documents, the motion is entirely fluid. The system intelligently divides its tasks between high-performance cores and high-efficiency cores. When you are simply reading an e-book, scrolling through articles, or streaming media, the iPad Mini 8 operates on a mere fraction of power, keeping the device completely cool to the touch and preserving battery life. But the moment you demand raw processing power, whether that is exporting a 4K video, running graphics-intensive simulations, or rendering a complex digital painting, the performance cores kick in instantly, delivering a blistering level of speed that leaves competing devices completely in the dust. But raw processing power is only one part of the magic. Where the iPad Mini 8 truly separates itself from traditional tablets is its unified memory architecture. In standard mobile devices, data frequently becomes bottlenecked as it moves back and forth between different components. The iPad Mini 8 eliminates this friction entirely. By placing the memory